Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Cortexi hearing support formula. So you should try this product or not, and what are the main issues of this product. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you only one thing, that is basically this is a affiliate product. And what is the affiliate product? The affiliate product is when you purchase this product, the link provider or any video creator will get highly commissions. So this is the working model of this kind of product. And if we talk about the other issues, that is when you purchase this product for 30-day supply, the costing is little bit high. If you go for 180-day supply, the costing is very less. Okay, so I want to show you something related to this price model. You will see over on your screen, you can see over here, this is the example of price model, and I want to show you, like you can see. And if we talk about the problems of this product, the problem of the product is costing. The costing of the product is little bit high, like you can see, $49 for $50 for one pack. And after using product, you are not going to get any kind of results, and after using product you are going to regret, because as you know very well, the reviews and the ratings of the product is not too good on Amazon.com also. And if we talk about this product, this is a totally different, you can say, affiliate product, and when you use affiliate product you will not get anything. So you are not going to get any benefits after using product. You are going to regret 100%. And if you have any experience, with this product, you know very well this thing. So basically I want to explain you this thing, you should not try this product. This is a totally waste of money product, and totally waste of, you can say, time also. So you should not try, and be very careful. Don't invest your money. If you have any experience with this product, you can share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment will help for lots of people also. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, my dear friends, and bye bye.